Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links on Instagram step by step. If you are just starting in 2025, let's jump in. First of all, Instagram allows affiliate links, but you must follow their guidelines. Always disclose that it's an affiliate link. You can add links in bio, stories, or DMs, but not in regular post captions directly. It's also smart to shorten your links with tools like Bitly or TinyURL for a cleaner look. The easiest way to add an affiliate link in through link is the easiest way to add an affiliate link is through your Instagram bio. Go to Instagram profile, then click edit profile. In the website fields, paste your affiliate link. If you want to promote multiple links, use a free tool like Linktree, Beacons.ai, or Stan Store. This lets you create a mini landing page with all your links. Just go to linktree.com. Then set up linking to multiple affiliate products. If you have access to Instagram Stories link sticker, you can directly add affiliate links to your stories. Steps. Go back to your home screen. Create a story. Click create. Then from here, click story with your mobile device. Then add photo, video, or graphic. Tap the sticker icon. Choose the link sticker. Paste your affiliate link and customize the sticker text like shop now or get it here. This is a super powerful way to drive quick traffic and sales from your audience. Another great method is sending affiliate links through DMs. You can invite people to message you for product recommendations and then send your affiliate link personally. Hey there, like example, hey there, the skincare product I recommended, then then paste your affiliate link, and I love it. Always be respectful, don't spam people. You can save your best affiliate stories to your Instagram highlights so they stay visible on your profile forever. Steps. After posting a story with a link, tap highlight from your profile section, like then click new, then name your highlight like 01, then click next and click the stories and then next. You can also remind from notes, create a notes here like that. You can write a message like show check bio or a link in bio. like that. Then click share. Now new visitors can always find your links. To get more clicks and sales, create authentic reviews about the product. Use bright visuals to grab attention. Offer bonuses or free guides if it's allowed by your affiliate program. So create an authentic reviews. Like the the product conditions, value, etc. Instagram messages section, you can send a message with your followers like that. Then enter an message like that. If you buy a new skincare product, tap the link. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to add affiliate links on Instagram. Every post, your product detail, videos or pictures. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite affiliate niche blue. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.